dancers, it's Kathryn Morgan, and today I'm hopefully going to take some of the stress out of doing your hair for ballet. Let's face it, a lot of us have gone through that. So I'm going to show you how to do the perfect bun using Suffolk's Bun Buddies. We have them in 3 different colors, blonde, brown, and black, and we have them in 2 different sizes. And these look like little donuts, but I'm going to show you how they can really take the hassle out of doing your bun and give you a perfect bun. So I will link them in the box below along with all the other products I'm using. Before I show you, I want to tell you about Suffolk's other hair products. These are the bobby pin sets that we have, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these. We have the typical bobby pin hairpin set, which has 200 pins in it in these little containers. And then we also have the extra strength hairpins in both short and long. And all 3 of these pin sets also come in blonde, brown, and black. So you can get your hair color or close to it. And then finally, Suffolk has their own line of hairnets. These come in 5 colors, so you can really get the right color hairnet for you. So I'm going to show you how to use these, and it's going to change your life. Okay, dancers, so we are going to start with the smaller Bun Buddy. This is if you have shorter hair. So that's me, short and thin hair. So we're going to just slip the ponytail through the Bun Buddy, like so. And now all you really want to do is take the hair. You can kind of split it. It's easier if you split it, and just mold the hair around the Bun Buddy. This does not have to be perfect. Again, I don't have a ton of hair, so I'm not going to do this perfectly. And I'm going to take another ponytail holder and just slip it around the Bun Buddy to hold the hair. And now you can kind of pull and play with it and cover up that Bun Buddy. So it looks like a beautiful bun. How easy is this? So I'm actually for this going to use the bobby pin and hairpin set from Suffolk. And I'm just going to tuck in these ends. Again, I don't have a lot of hair that can wrap around this. So I'm just going to tuck the ends in, and I'm actually going to pin the Bun Buddy to my head a little bit. That way it doesn't slide around. Remember, you guys, the Bun Buddy comes in 3 colors, blonde, brown, and black. And you just fiddle around. You know, everybody's hair is different. Mine is very thin, so I don't need a lot of extra stuff going on. So that's the idea, and I would do a better job tucking those in. But what you can also do is use one of our hair nets. This is the dark brown, to help you with all these extra ends if you have them. And put it around once or twice, but I like doing it once just because it doesn't, then you don't really get that sort of hairnet look. And I'm going to tuck that in and then pin it. That can also kind of help you get those ends in and kind of tame them. And a way to really secure the bun and your hair to your head, dancers, is I don't know if you can see this, I put the pin in like so, and then I kind of do this around and tuck method, and it feels really secure. So one more time, pin in, around, and tuck. So it's almost like you're going like that with the hairpin. And that is for the short hair. Okay, dancers, so I have pinned in some fake hair that I, fun fact, have to use on stage to show you the big one. So this is if you have really thick hair. We have a big Bun Buddy, so I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So now all of that hair, and it's kind of the same thing. You can divide it into 2 sections if that's easier for you. And then just kind of fold it around the Bun Buddy like so. So I'm going to take our ponytail holder again, put it around the Bun Buddy. There we go. And see, now you can again kind of move it around. And you can do this whether you do a high bun, a medium bun, low bun, wherever you do your bun. Instead of just tucking it in, obviously we have way too much hair to tuck in. And I'm going to use the bigger, extra long, extra strength long hairpins for this one. I'm going to secure this just a little bit before I start wrapping the hair because I want this to be secure to my head. So I'm just going to pin it in a little bit. Now, I'm going to split this hair that's left into 2 and start twisting it around a little bit. You can also do it in 1. If you have really long hair, you can do it in 1. But for this, I'm actually going to do it in two pieces and just kind of twist it around. And actually, this is going to finish it off really nicely. And just kind of twist around, and it's going to give it a nice little finish. And again, dancers, this is personal for everybody, so play around with what works for you. Play around with the look that you want. I can't actually see what I'm doing right now, so if I could, I would probably fix a couple things, but just twist and pin and figure out what you like. But the whole purpose of this Bun Buddy is to give you that nice, flawless shape of a bun. So it just makes it easy, and you're not trying to figure out how to get that perfect bun without, you know, just gives you some structure. Okay, again, rough job. You can leave it there, or again, take one of the hair nets, put it around. It'll kind of clean it up a little bit. You can double twist it if you want. Again, I like one time around and then to tuck it in so it doesn't look very hairnetish. And then you have a nice bun. So that's it, dancers. Really, really easy, whether you have lots of hair, not me, or a little bit of hair, me. You can pick the size that works for you. Again, it's trial and error, figuring out how you like it, figuring out where it works for you, but it's just to help you get that beautiful, round, classic ballet bun shape. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you missed our video on how to glue your pointe shoes, it's right down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.